Welcome back to Mitchell Meigs Vids, spotlighting biotech breakthroughs that move markets. I'm Mitchell, and today, Enveric Biosciences, ticker ENVB on NASDAQ. The Cambridge, Massachusetts-based neuroplastogen innovator is lighting up on patent progress. As of December 9th, 2025, shares closed at $5.92, but rocketed 74% after hours to $10.29. Smashing the 52-week low of $4.88 after a volatile year capped by October's 1 for 12 reverse split. At a micro $3.45 million market cap, it's primed for swings. The catalyst? Today, Enveric snagged a USPTO notice of allowance for its EVM 301 Series N heterocycle substituted tryptamine derivatives for neuropsychiatric treatments like PTSD. This bolsters their IP fortress following November's fourth allowance for EVM 401 and Q3's IND push for lead EB-003, with FDA green lights and preclinical wins narrowing losses to 1.87 million. Upsides massive with clinical trials eyed for 2026, but biotech burn rate and tiny cash piles spell risks. Patent play or wait for IND? Drop thoughts below, like for the surge, and subscribe to Mitchell Meigs Vids. Bell on. More alerts tomorrow. Invest smart. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. And we'll see you in the next one.